Hello, Richard Velazquez here with Southeast Mold Pressure Cleaning. Here's a back porch deck area that I'll be getting cleaned up. If you notice, you can see these railings are quite dirty. See the steps. More of the railings. And even the mold on the screen, you can see right over here. It's likewise down this whole bottom screen, just lots of mold. Likewise here on the deck. I'm getting this all cleaned up. Here's the interior of the screen porch. You can just see how bad these things are. Here's the screen door area. This is gonna get all clean. Alright, here's the back patio. Steps, they got color again. Had heavy moss on it. You can see the railings. Nice and white again. Here's the deck. This was quite dirty. And also inside here, this was very dirty. See them railings. Nice and clean again. Also took care of the patio furniture while I was in here. There she is, she's all clean. Customer's ecstatic about the work. I love that.